To our district supervisor, Ma'am Marites Malyari, to our barangay captain, Ma'am Emiliana Q. Tamura, along with her constituents, to our PTA officers headed by Sir Cipriano Galang, to our school head, Sir Carlo Di Castro, our teachers who molded us intellectually and spiritually with the help and support of our proud parents. And, of course, my co-graduates of Tabuan Elementary School, class of 2023 to 2024. Ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant morning to you all. Standing in front of you all is both an honor and a privilege. Let us take advantage of this special occasion to reflect on our future as well as to commemorate our past accomplishments. As we close this chapter, I want to take a moment to reminisce on our years together. I would like to take a moment to thank our God, Jehovah, for giving me the strength to remain standing despite the challenges this past school years. I believe that if you always have faith in God as I do, and if you believe in Him, He will give you the strength like He always does. Though this year has been tough, I threw all of my burdens on Him and He helped me through it all. But, of course, I would like to thank our wonderful advisor, Ma'am Wilma Balanay, and all the other teachers who helped us to become the people we are today. By their constant direction, dedication, and lots of patience, your lessons and wisdom will always be engraved into our hearts and minds. I would also like to thank all of the people, especially my family, my ever-loving parents, my ate, who were my support system throughout the years. They are one of the reasons why I reached this milestone. They never stopped believing in me and helped me every step of the way. All that I am or hope to be, I owe it to my mommy and daddy. I'm sure all of you feel the same. As we gather here today to celebrate our achievements, it's impossible not to feel a sense of hope or anticipation for the future. Today marks the culmination of years of hard work, dedication, and growth. But more than that, it symbolizes a beginning to a new chapter. A chapter where our minds will shape the world around us. Kabataang Pilipino para sa matatag na kinabukasan ng bagong Pilipinas. Youth, they say, is the future. And indeed, it is. But what does that mean? It means recognizing the immense potential that lies within each one of us. It means understanding the innovations, the breakthroughs, the solutions to the challenges we face. It will all come from us. As we leave the familiar halls of this school and step into the vast unknown, remember this. We are not just the leaders of tomorrow, but the change makers of today. Our fresh perspectives, boundless energy, and unwavering determination have the power to transform our world for the better. I truly believe that all of us will lead great lives and make positive changes to our society. But with this great power comes with responsibility. The choices we make, the actions we take, it will shape the course of both our history and future. So, as we embark on this journey, I urge everyone to embrace empathy, compassion, and kindness. For it is these qualities that will guide us in making a positive impact in the world. In the words of Mahatma Gandhi, be the change you wish to see the world. Believe in yourself, dream big, and never underestimate the difference you can make. Once again, congratulations, my fellow graduates. The future is ours to create. Make it a future we can all be proud of.